My name is Dale Mason. I am the administrator, IT professional at WowTech Group Canada. We are a manufacturer of adult vibrators. So we have manufacturing in China. We have warehouses located around the world. We sell via e-commerce, which we have our own e-commerce store. We sell via Amazon, which all feeds into NetSuite. And then we have feeds that go to the warehouse via EDI, via API, and that create invoices automatically. A lot of implementation, a lot of automation. You guys helped us with that from the beginning of time. It was very successful. Actually, Gurus saved our bacon, so we actually retired an implementation, and you guys helped us start a brand new one and finish. Save our lives, basically. Literally saved our lives. Guru has helped us with solutions for the larger projects where we might need some implementation like project management, or we need to work with the sales team and build some larger type of projects. You guys have saved us and helped us build those projects together as a group. You provided great solutions for us as well. What stood out for Gurus is organization. You have a very smooth implementation process where you lay out the guidelines of what the actual plan will be. Everyone is on the same page before we get started, and everyone understands where we're going to be at a certain time frame. You have a great project management team, put it that way. So that stands out heavily amongst your competition. Our complexity in NetSuite is increased, but because of the foundation you guys laid for us, it's still stable. You guys have been great. You guys helped me out a lot. I would 100% recommend Gurus for other implementation. Easy to call. I can make a quick phone call, send a quick email, and get the ball rolling that way. So it's great. You guys are good, and I definitely recommend it.